Welcome to Disney's BoardWalk Inn. We've booked a water view room. This is number 3245. Use our MagicBand to go in. Here we go. This is our room. Turning to the right. Hello me. We've got a double sink here. Lovely artwork on the wall. Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy at the boardwalk. We've got our Disney products all on here. Vanity mirror. I love that there's a full length mirror on the door. And as we go in here, what do we find? Ta-da! This is our shower. And of course, we've got toilet with towels, all the usual things you'd expect to find in here. If I slide this open, oh, another one. There we go. These are the products that we've got in the shower. Of course, you can have a bath. And there's some shelving. Everything you would expect to find in there. And then heading out this way, we've got a coffee machine. I love the artwork on here. Again, at the boardwalk, Mickey and Minnie having fun. Ice bucket. We've got a drawer with cups and milks and coffees, things like that. And we do have a fridge under here. It does not come with Mountain Dew. That's our own supplies. It's an empty fridge. And then to the left, if you want some more mirrors, you've got 3 big mirrors on the wardrobes. Extra pillow and blankets there, plenty of space for hanging, loads of space for all of your belongings. And then finally on the left, the final wardrobe. Oh, it lights up. We've got a steamer. There's no iron, so you use the steamer. And there is a hairdryer. Again, loads more storage. And you do have a decent size for your safe. More storage down there. Back at the door, the usual things you'd expect to find. You've got your map of where you are. And of course, you've got your Disney-fied room occupied sign. Let's head down this way and have a look at the room itself. 2 massive beds. Very nice. One of my favourite things is the Disney artwork on the wall. I love the refurbishment that these have had. I don't know if it was in the last year or last couple of years that these were refurbished, but they feel very fresh, feel very nice. We have Hey Disney. If you're used to using an Alexa device, they're very similar. And then underneath, with all these refurbished rooms, there's plenty of space to store your suitcases. Oh, it heard me say Hey Disney, so now it's set off. Ignore that. There you go, Richard's there. He's now sorting his stuff out. You get your big welcome message and all the beautiful music on your Disney-fied TV. They're kind of like honeycomb designs here. Got plenty of space there. Of course, we've got our suitcases here, but once we've checked them properly, we will unpack and put them all under the bed. Lovely pictures again. Goofy there, juggling on the boardwalk. I love this chair. Just spot the hidden Mickey. There. Really nice. Plenty of space. Again, we've got more Mickeys on this lamp here. And I love these curtains. Look at that. All of these magical touches.
So posh.
Yeah, very posh. And this is a big sofa that does pull out to make a bed if you need it. Now I'll show you my favourite thing, the water view room, somewhere I always wanted to stay. What a view we have. We are feeling very lucky, very happy to be here. It feels very surreal, a dream come true. Look at that. If you love the boardwalk or love coming here to visit, we've only visited for a few days at a time or a few hours at a time. We've never actually stayed here, so this is our first time staying here, and I'm very excited to go to the cake bake shop on the end. We've got 2 chairs. I'm standing in front of the other one, and a little table there so we can sit here, have a morning coffee. I'm intrigued to see what this is like late at night. What's it like first thing in the morning? Who will I see up and about? And of course the boardwalk goes all the way down there. You got Swan and Dolphin, you've got the dance hall over there. You got the friendship boat, so you can get the boat into EPCOT, which is that way. or you can get the boat to Hollywood Studios. You have to go around that way to go to Hollywood Studios, but of course you can walk to both of those theme parks as well. This is the yacht club over there, where that shipwrecked boat is in the middle. That's the water park area that's part of the beach club, and the beach club is there. So beach club and yacht club, they're sister resorts, and they both share the water park. Isn't it beautiful? Sitting here listening to all the music, all the atmosphere, and that is the water view room. Something to notice, look. On the side there's a USB-C things that I've just slotted mine into rather than using a plug. Oh yes, yeah, so we've got the plugs and we've got a USB-C and regular USB there as well. Yeah, very good. Well, thanks for watching. We're going to enjoy our room.